Basically, I've created the look keeping the daytime event in the mind so the bridesmaids can carry out this look very elegantly using very affordable and simple products. So let's see how I have created the look. So as I've decked up a lot, so let's check some pictures out.
तीखे तीखे नए नक्श तेरे, कलियों से कोमल होठ तेरे, फूलों से नाजुक पाँव तेरे, दोनों जहां कुर्बान तेरे, तराशा प्यार से जिसे रब ने वो मूरत हो तुम, संग तराशों की जैसे देवी तुम सा जहां में कोई ना, ऐ नाज़नी सुनो ना, हम तुम पे हक तो दो ना।
Hello, welcome back to Amor. Amor is you, Amor is me. So let's spread little love. Your pile is back with another video. So I've already done my skincare. Before starting off with the makeup, I want to make this look very glowy, very dewy. So I will be applying a oil. So I'm using this Avon oil. So this is a very lightweighted oil and I have used it before and I loved it. So as my skin is dry, so this oil will make my skin look glowy. थोड़ा सा glow देगा. So make sure that कि आप इसको ज़्यादा drag ना करो. You just dab your oil in your face. So I'm using this Wet n Wild Photo Finish Primer. So you can see the texture. This is a very gel kind of primer and it will give me that mattifying look. This is good for dry skin type. So I will be dabbing this primer onto my areas where I have pores and like in my forehead as well. So the next we will go with the foundation. So I am using this Wet n Wild foundation. So this is one of my favorite when it comes to the drugstore foundation and it's exactly to my skin tone. So I will be taking a little and I will be dabbing it. So you can see that I have not taken much. So मैं थोड़ा सा ही लूँगी and I will be just dabbing it into my skin. And I am creating this look for daytime, so I don't want कि वो थोड़ा ज़्यादा overdo लगे. I want it to look little simple, but yet थोड़ा सा glowy लगे. So I have used my YBP Spawn. So let me tell you, this is little expensive, like it's 700 or 800 bucks. But trust me, it's gonna last you so long. I am using this since 8-9 months and कुछ भी नहीं हुआ and it's very like बहुत handy है. So after that I will be applying a illuminator. So I am using this Maybelline illuminator. Basically मैं illuminator पहले लगाती हूँ या फिर foundation के साथ mix करके लगाती हूँ. But like I have forgotten to apply it, so you don't need a lot of illuminator. आपको just थोड़ा सा चाहिए होता है या फिर you can mix with foundation as well. And you apply it on the like I will apply it in full face. But basically जहाँ पर like I want to highlight more, I will apply there a lot. Focus on your highest point of your face, like so. This is a very tinted illuminator, so it will give you that pinkish, glowish look, thoda. So this is complete mattifying. So after that, I will be applying a concealer. So I am using this LA Pro concealer. So I will be applying little on my lids and onto my pigmented area, जहाँ पर मुझे pimples वगैरह है. Make sure that कि आपका जो base है वो बहुत ज़्यादा flawless लगे. You can see that I am dabbing some on my lips. There's little pigmentation on my lips so that when I am applying lipstick ना तो ज़्यादा कुछ मतलब मेरे lips में वो color जो है will enhance more. So after that I will be adding a bronzer to my face so that कि थोड़ा सा dimension लगे, like थोड़ा सा like इतना flat ना लगे, will have a little curve out. So I'm using this L'Oreal bronzer. So as my skin type is very dry, so I will not be using any compact powder. See, bronzer will create a shadow कि आपका जो forehead है या वगैरह है, it's little like ज़्यादा आपका बड़ा forehead नहीं दिखेगा. So also I will be adding the bronzer in my chin. So today I am doing my base first, then I will go to my eyes. क्योंकि like I am not doing any dramatic eyes की ज़्यादा fallout हो मेरे face में. So I am doing a very easy sort of eye look. So I am using the blush from Sugar palette. Oh my God! Look at the pigmentation like. So like थोड़ा कैमरा के लिए ना थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा लगाना पड़ता है. जब मैं सामने होती हूँ मैं इतना ज़्यादा like ब्लश में नहीं लगाती हूँ क्योंकि द ब्लश एक ऐसा चीज़ होता है और कॉन्टोर एक ऐसा चीज़ होता है जो कैमरा पे उतना ज़्यादा अच्छे से कैप्चर नहीं हो पाता है. So that मुझे आप लोगों के लिए like I have to apply like little more. So I generally like my blush to be very peachy या फिर pink मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. Like my cheeks, you have to smile and have to apply. Now you have to see that कि ये अच्छे से blend हो. Like इस तरफ थोड़ा ज़्यादा लग रहा है ना, तो I have to blend it. So what you have to do is that you have to apply from the cheekbones to the highest, like upper portion में you have to drag it. So now I will be going to my eyebrows. So for that I am using this PAC pomade. So I am in the shade 02. So I am using this flat precise brush. So I am taking a little. First of all, make sure that जब आप pomade से लगा रहे हो, make sure कि आप इसको ज़्यादा ना लगाओ, because pomade का जो pigmentation है वो pencil से ज़्यादा होता है. For the beginners, pomades are like very difficult to apply, but once you are doing it ना, so you're gonna love it. Like आपको pomade ही use करने का मन करेगा. So I have not done my eyebrows, like oh my god, like from so many months, like since I have not done my eyebrows. So I like my eyebrows to be little. यहाँ से मुझे थोड़ा art पसंद है. So make sure that you keep on brushing your eyebrows, like so that कि आपको पता चले कि कहाँ पर आपका जो gap है. So I am done with my eyebrows. Then I will be going into my eye makeup. So I am using this eyeshadow palette from Sugar Cosmetics, and this is in the shade 02 Warrior. So first I will be using this shade. So this is a dark brown shade. So I will be using it in my crease line. So with this precise pencil brush, I will be taking this pigment and then I will be applying it in my crease line. So after that I will be taking this shade and then I will be applying it in the all over my lid. So this will create a base for my eye. So after that I will be applying a shimmer shade. So I will be using this shade from the palette. After that I will be taking this glitter color. So I am applying it in the corners. Like मैं middle पे नहीं लगा रही हूँ. जहाँ पर मैंने eyeshadow खत्म किया है, like ये glitter को खत्म किया था, वहाँ पर I am applying. After that I will be blending it with my fingers. I am applying this brown shade again in the outer corner. Now with the blending brush, I will blend out the colors. So after that I will be applying a kajal. So I will be doing a bold kajal. Because my eyes got neutral है, I would love to go bold with my eyes. You will see that मैं eyeliner नहीं लगाऊंगी, but I will be applying a bold kajal. So I am using this iconic pencil, but I will be smudging it with the black eyeshadow. So making a wing with the kajal is the most trickiest part, but we have to do it. So I will be using a black eyeshadow and I will be dabbing it in the lower part of my eye. So it will open up your eyes. Like आप ऐसे जो bold कर रहे हो आपके eyes को, so it will just open up your eyes. So I will be dabbing this eyeshadow in my eyes. So for my lips, I am using this Smashbox Bowsey. This is one of my favorite red lipsticks. So make sure that you line your lips. So now I will be applying a coat of mascara. So before applying falsies, make sure कि आप अच्छा से coat of mascara लगाओ, so that कि आपके falsie के साथ ये set हो जाए. So if you are a bit hesitant on applying mascara, so I have made a complete detailed video on it. So I will put the link down below in the description box. Please go and check it out so that you gonna have that clear picture. Without falsie तो ये बहुत ही अच्छा लगेगा. But I will be wearing falsies but to show you like how it turned out. So this is a Blue Heaven mascara. Trust me, this is a affordable mascara, but it's a game changer. So I will be using this 925 eyeshadow palette, and I love these colors, like eyeshadow colors, to apply this as a highlighter. So I will be applying in the nose, and then I will be applying it in the cheekbones, just a little, and also in my inner corner of my eyes. And also I will be applying in the eyebrow bone over here. So with this I have completed my look. So I will do my hair. I will be adding a bindi, and also I will be wearing some jewelry. So behind the camera. So I will be coming out with the whole look. So bye. So Amol, I hope I have been able to justify this look. So if you